In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Webflow quick and easy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click in the designer, how to convert text into a clean list, and how to fine-tune spacing so your bullets look polished and consistent. First, open your project in the Webflow designer. Click on the canvas to select the text area where you want a list. If you already have a list element on the page, select it. Otherwise, place your cursor inside the paragraph you want to turn into a list. Now move to the right side of the designer. Start in the Style panel. If your controls look collapsed, click Show All Settings so everything is visible. You'll notice tabs for style, settings, and interactions across the top of this panel. We'll mostly be in style, but it helps to know where each tab lives, so feel free to glance through them and then return to style. Inside style, look for the type or typography controls. Here, convert your text into a list. If you're working with a list element, make sure you're targeting the list item in the element breadcrumb so your changes apply to each bullet, not just a nested span or link. Selecting list item is key to consistent results. Next, scroll to Layout, then open Spacing. If the left indent or padding is set to 0, click that value and increase it to create room for the bullet marker and align the text nicely. Something in the range of 16 to 24 pixels is a good starting point. Adjust and preview until the bullets and text feel balanced. While still in style, set the list's appearance. Choose your bullet style, such as disc, circle, or square. If you prefer numbers, switch to an ordered list. Toggle the options until the look fits your design. If the bullets feel tight or too loose, refine line height in the type section and adjust margin between items in spacing to control vertical rhythm. If your changes don't seem to apply, double-check that you're styling the list or list item and not a nested element. Use the breadcrumbs above the canvas to move between parent and child elements quickly. For consistency across your site, add a class to the list or list item before styling, so you can reuse this look anywhere. When everything looks right, preview your page and then publish to make it live. That's it. Quick, clean bullet points in Webflow with spacing